We're in High Valley Ranch at a beautiful property here in Prescott, Arizona. Tons of natural elements on this property, including a massive water feature. Let's go take a look around. Barbara loves being surrounded by nature and wildlife, and so on this project, we installed hundreds of trees and plants. The deer and javelina needed a safe way around the property, which is why we installed these steps. Barbara was tired of having the black bears knock over her bird feeders, which is why we installed these beautiful gabion baskets with massive concrete footings underneath to hold the bird seed. Between the birds and squirrels, the old wooden railing that was here before was completely torn apart. And now we have this beautiful custom railing. The absolute focal point on this project is this gorgeous water feature that we built to look as natural as possible. To start your custom landscape design, call or text anytime 928-910-4147.